I'm here with a package of Mission Street Tacos white corn tortillas.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
I have been looking for these mini tortillas for such a long time, and I finally found them in a local supermarket. A lot of people have been leaving me comments that these fit perfectly in a Dash Mini Griddle, so I have been looking for these when I go food shopping. And today was the first time that I saw these in a local supermarket. I've also heard that these are sold in Target. I've never seen these in a local Target either. And the way I found these was pretty much completely by mistake today. So near the deli section in my local supermarket, they have a big wall of shelves with all the tortillas on them. And they're not there. And then in the bread aisle, they also sell some tortillas and they're not there. And then in the aisle that has Mexican food and Goya products, they also have tortillas and they're not there. And I just happened to be looking for fresh salsa today. And I like the fresh salsa that's in the refrigerated section. And this store has a special little refrigerated area near the produce section. And they have the packaged salad greens and the fresh salad dressings and that kind of stuff in these little refrigerators. So what happened was, as I was turning a corner to go find my salsa, and at the end of the aisle they had a shelf of tortillas, and I was like, let me look and see if they're there, and they were. They actually had two different kinds of these Mission Street tacos. These are the white corn tortillas. They also had yellow corn tortillas. I compared the ingredients. They looked the same. The only thing that looked different was the white corn versus the yellow corn. So I bought the white corn tortillas. This is a 12.6 ounce package of 24. I also noticed that the serving size is 3 tortillas and the calories per serving is 100. So that means each tortilla has about 33 calories. 1 gram of fat, 0 cholesterol, only 20 milligrams of sodium. So I was kind of shocked at how low the sodium is. Total carbs, 20 grams, 2 grams of fiber, 2 grams of sugar, 2 grams of protein, and 80 milligrams of potassium and 20 milligrams of calcium. So yeah, these look really interesting. This is what they look like next to the Trader Joe's mini flour tortillas. So I just posted a video about the Trader Joe's mini flour tortillas the other day. And these Mission Street tacos are smaller than the Trader Joe's mini flour tortillas. I'll take one of each out and we could compare them. Here are the two tortillas side by side. The Mission Street taco is on the left and the Trader Joe's mini flour tortilla is on the right. They are very similar in size. The Mission Street tacos are very round. It looks like they are uniformly cut, while the Trader Joe's mini flour tortillas have a more organic shape. It looks like they're not cut, but they're just pressed. And the Mission Street tacos could be pressed also. It just could be that they're pressed into a mold. And if we lay one on top of the other, we can see that they are basically the same size. The Mission Street taco is just a little bit smaller than the Trader Joe's mini flour tortilla, but I mean, it's such a slight difference. And really the only difference is because the Trader Joe's is not evenly round. And of course, the main difference is that the street tacos are made out of corn and the Trader Joe's are made out of wheat. So if you're a fan of a wheat tortilla, the Trader Joe's is better for you. And if you're a fan of a corn tortilla, then the Mission Street taco would be better. To test out these Mission Street tacos, I thought I would make a breakfast taco for myself, or maybe 2. I'm really hungry. So I have 1 beaten egg. I have about 2 tablespoons of some fresh salsa, and I also have some finely grated cheese. The only cheese I have in the house today is provolone, so I'm using that. Obviously, if you have cheddar, you could use that. You can use any kind of cheese that you have. So the mini griddle is plugged in. The light is on. It actually just went off. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the tortilla in here, and it's almost a perfect fit. It's just a little bit too big. It's just hanging over a little bit too much, but it's almost a perfect fit. I'm just going to put it in there for, I don't know, 30 seconds, maybe a minute, just to heat it up. It's nice and warm, so I'm going to just take it out. put it aside on a plate. Then the next thing I'm going to do is put some butter on the bottom of my griddle. Be very careful, the griddle is really hot. That should be easier to see. And I'm going to add my beaten egg. I'm kind of debating whether I want to scramble the egg or leave it flat like this, like an omelet. And I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to shut this and we'll be back in maybe like a minute, 2 minutes once the egg is cooked. To power my Dash Mini Griddle, I am using my AutoGen 500 watt portable power station. I charge this power station with solar panels, so we are cooking with solar energy today. It's been about a minute. Let's open this up. Be very, very careful because of the steam. That looks like it's done. And did you see how it was puffed up and then it kind of deflated? So I'm going to unplug the griddle. And what I want to do is I want to cut this in half because that would be perfect to just cut this in half. And I'm going to make 2 tacos, one with each half. So I'm going to grab half of this. And be very careful. So I have my 2 tortillas with the egg on them. And then I'm going to sprinkle on some of the shredded cheese. And I'm going to add some of the fresh salsa. I did drain the salsa before I spooned it out so it wouldn't be too watery. You can add anything that you want, any kind of seasonings that you want. You want to add some hot sauce, you could add that instead of salsa. If you like ketchup, you could add that instead of salsa. Like whatever you have, whatever you like. If you wanted to add some ham or bacon or beans, you could add that. Look how cute and perfect that is. That is so adorable. Okay, let's eat this. It's really good. It's very basic. This would actually be nice with some crumbled sausage in there. That would be really good. I forgot to mention that the package of Mission Street Taco Tortillas was $1.99. So $2 divided by 24, because there's 24 tortillas in the package, is about 9 cents a tortilla. So if I do the math, let's say the egg costs 32 cents and then the tortillas cost 18 cents. That brings us up to 50 cents. Then let's add another 20 cents or 25 cents for the cheese and the salsa. So for 75 cents, I have 2 little breakfast tacos. We could even say for $1, I have 2 little breakfast tacos. That's a good deal. And if I'm really hungry, I can make 2 more and it's still a good deal. And so that is my review of these Mission Street tacos. They are a perfect fit for the Dash Mini Griddle. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.